Hey y'all, so I finally decided to make the vegan version of the viral sandwich that everybody's been talking about. And so I sliced my bread and everything already, and now I'm just going to start adding the cheese. And I'm going to be using provolone and cheddar cheese. And I love Violife. That's one of my favorite cheese brands. And right here I'm just preparing a salad. Got some shredded lettuce, gonna add some banana pepper rings to it, some red onions. Now with this salad, a lot of people, they use some, I guess, red wine vinegar. I decided to skip that. I don't like the taste of red wine vinegar. So instead, you'll see me use some pickle juice. And I like the taste of these pickles, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the vinegar. But you can add like red wine vinegar if that's what you like, or any type of vinegar. White vinegar would be good too. And then I'm gonna add some Follow Your Heart soy-free mayonnaise. I actually like this brand of mayonnaise. It's one of my favorite brands. So I took it out, and as you can see, the cheese melted a little bit. And now I'm just gonna start adding these deli slices and pepperoni and field roast. As you can probably see, that is one of my favorite brands of like the deli slices and the pepperonis. And I like their sausages too. So I'm just gonna start applying everything to the bread. And y'all, these mushroom slices are really good. The lentil ones are okay too, but my favorite ones are the mushroom ones. And then I'm gonna add some tomatoes. And you didn't see, but I actually seasoned the tomatoes. I had it set to the side, and I seasoned them with some salt and pepper and a little bit of basil. So next, I'm just going to start adding the salad. And then right here, I have this garlic mixture that I applied to the bread, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of that. And then I'm just gonna stick that in the oven just to let it melt a little bit, even though this cheese don't really melt. But I decided to just put it in the oven to see what it do, and it toasted the bread a little bit, and it melted a little bit. And as you can see, I let Taryn be the taste tester. And it was good. You know, he enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It was a good sandwich. So yeah, try it and let me know how y'all like it.